What up guys, how you guys doing? I'm Talis and we're back with another how to slice. In today's how to slice video, we're gonna be checking out some Valentine's Day motto. So let's go to the video. So this is the blooming flower ring box. As you can see, this is a really nice motto to print for Valentine's Day, and in this video we're gonna be checking out the best print settings. So first off, as you can see, we got multiple parts. All of them will be printed with the same print settings. This is a fantastic model, so you can be printing in different colors to get a really nice end result. So feel free to print in different build plates to get a really nice end result. So if you have a monocolor printer, you can be printing in different colors so you can get a multi-color result. So this is fantastic. As you can see, we got some mechanism right here, but if you have a well-calibrated printer, you're going to be able to print quite fine. So let's go to the print settings. Right here in layer height, we're going to be leaving at 0.2 millimeters. We're not going to be changing any of these values. As for vertical shells, we're going to be leaving at 3, just so we can get a really rigid model. Because as this is a mechanical, we need some strength. Going over to infill, we're going to be increasing to 10% and leaving at a gyroid infill pattern. Gyroid is quite nice because it prints in waves, so your printer never goes on a straight line while you're printing the infill. This reduces the chance of your print failing while printing the infill. Going over to skirt and brim, let's analyze if this model really needs brim. So brim is a really nice feature to increase the surface of contact to the build plate. And as you can see, most of the parts have mechanism right here, and they got a solid surface of contact to the build plate. So we're not going to be adding any brim. But if you have some bad adhesion issues, I do recommend always cleaning your build plate really well. Guarantee that you got a really clean surface to print on, because that's gonna help a lot with the bad adhesion. If you can, make sure that your printer is really well leveled so you can get a really good first layer. That's gonna help with bad adhesion. And feel free to use any other types of adhesions, such as glue stick or each you may like. So this is quite nice. This is some tips to increase the surface of contact to the build plate without actually increasing bad adhesion, without having to add some brim. So this is quite nice. Feel free to follow any of the tips. So we're not going to be adding any brim. As for support material, this model is optimized for printing, so we do not need any support material at all. As for speed right here, we can be printing at your standard print speed, especially for Bambu Lab printers. Feel free to use a profile that you may like, but if you're going to change any of these values, always to a lower, slow speed. Never print faster. It's better to print slow one time than trying to print fast and it failing multiple times. So guarantee a really slow print. That's gonna help a lot with everything, actually. Good cooling and good quality print. Right here on first layer, I have reduced from 30 to 20 millimeters a second. Guarantee a good first layer, because the first layer is the most important layer, because all of the other layers are going to go on top of this one. So guarantee a really good first layer. So this is quite nice. Feel free to change the speed as you may like, but never faster. Now we are ready to slice. This is out of the build plate because I was not able to fit inside the 220 by 220 millimeter build plate, but we can be printing it separately. So let's slice first. So as you can see, we have sliced and it looks quite nice. All of the layers being printed at 0.2 millimeter. As you can see, it's gonna take 16 hours and 4 minutes to print on the standard Ender 3v3 SE. It's gonna vary between printers, so notice that. So this is quite nice. All of the layers look quite nice. We do not need any support. Right here we got a bridge, but it is quite small, so you can be printing quite fine. You do not need to worry with that at all. So this part can be printed with the same print settings. So grab a really nice filament that you have laying around and print this model right now to get a really nice end result. Print it in different colors to get a fantastic look. So enjoy! So the models are ready to print. Make sure you check out stlflix.com for more models like this one, and I'll see you in another one.
I hope you guys enjoy it. Those slicing videos are an initiative from STL Academy, which is the educational project from STL Flix. So if you guys want to learn more about 3D printing, you could check our description and look at STL Academy courses. And don't forget, see you guys at the next slicing.